All right, so Ma's freaking out a little bit. Just a little. Just a tiny little bit. Because we are about to give Ma the big chop. She's doing it, guys. She's doing it. I mean, her hair is already short, but like we're doing it. Okay? So we're not using scissors. We're chopping. We're doing it. Go big or go home. It's a fresh start. Fresh hair. Long. We'll do long first. Just in case we don't.
Oh, very long. Yeah.
Oh, don't you worry. Okay.
I trust you.
Yeah, you trust these clippers.
I trust you.
My name in Chinese is like the E.
30
What? What is it?
It's my new wife.
It's like this.
It's my wife.
All right.
Okay. Yeah, you gotta. You're gonna have to go like this. You're gonna have
You
to.
moved and all your hair got on here. Damn it. Gonna have to go what? Go, yes, cut
just-
around.
Yeah.
I know what I'm doing.
I do like it.
You're gonna like it.
I do like
I know. I've been trying to tell you to do it like this. Now, you know how easy this is to keep up with?
it. But I like wispy. I like
And it gives you wispy.
Yes, I like my wispy here.
That's what I told
and
you.
Wispy here.
For some reason, with a number 8 guard, it just does it like a pixie cut.
I missed you.
And that's because your hairline is down here, so it's gonna be, if everything is one length.
It's not like you have to move immediately. You have time to look around. Doesn't have to be in a month, 2 months. It could be in 3 months.
Yeah, unless the landlady says, hey Melissa, I want you to move, you got 30 days.
Why would she say that?
Because I'm mad at her right now, so I keep telling her that. I showed her a picture of the girl downstairs, little girl downstairs with the dog. Like, people are so afraid of the dog. Why do they let their kid in here with the dog? I don't know. I'm just pissed off and I want to get out of here because
you want to hurry up and leave because you're mad at her, but
yep, because she's
Stop being like that. You never find a good place when you're like that. Then you have to hurry up and rush.
There's nothing.
There's nothing right now. You don't know a month from now.
Yeah. I know.
Stop doing that all the time. You always have to do that.
I just feel stuck here.
You're not. You've been here before. It was fine.
Yeah, until I realize.
You'll find something when the time is right. You'll just keep a word out. Look at Christy has a dog.
Yeah, my dog.
Yeah, I know. They let her have a dog.
She don't have Section 8. Yeah.
You'll find something, Melissa. Just wait. Just have patience.
Look, and then Goy said, Joe was supposed to come up here and do it. That poor man.
Daddy was talking about houses with him.
With Goy?
Yeah.
Really?
Uh-huh.
What did he say?
I would like to see a house.
That's what Daddy said?
Give me one that you don't care about.
To who, Goy?
Yeah. That's all I heard.
Alright, guys.
Hi! Hi!
Oh, wait. Should I put it on? Oh, it is on. It's on.
It's done!
It's done, and now we're just...
Did it!
We're tweaking it up now. Around her ears.
What is it?
Oil. Just oil. Just so it's not frizzy.
I hope it doesn't frizz. There's nothing there to frizz. Right?
Well, so it's smooth.
That's my whole thing too. I hated it frizzy.
No, it's not frizzy.
Okay.
How's the wisps and everything? Good? Oh, you can't see.
Good. Yeah. Yeah. There's my points. Yep. There's my stupid colic. Look at that. Still did it.
Yeah, well, let it dry and...
I hate that. What the hell?
You're spunky, Susan.
Yeah.
on. Because now you got your thing. Stay there. Okay.
Good?
Yep. Guess I don't know what you're doing with this.
It ain't doing nothing. I think I'm just gonna let it spike.
Yeah. Here, hold on. It'll curl a little bit.
I don't think so.
Yeah, with this. Sorry. Okay. You can let it spike. Here she is, Miss America. Here she is, Miss America.
I don't believe I did it.
She did it. You
I
did
don't
it.
believe I did it.
Here, turn your head. It has to dry. That way it will, like, you know, fluff up because...
I don't believe I did it. How would I do my, when I put the blonde in it?
You're just gonna take it on like a comb.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I would just take it on a comb and brush it through where you want it. I would do around here, up here.
Face.
Just, I think you should let it grow a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. But, you can't see your scalp like you think, Mom.
Okay.
You can go look in the...
No, I
Look,
can see.
stand
I can
up right
see right here. I see my scalp. Right there. Right there, see?
Well, it's shining
can't-
right on your head.
Yeah, Melissa, I'm just getting older and I can't help it. So I just figured I'd go short because then you wouldn't see it as badly as... It won't separate as badly. And that's why I'm doing it too, because I don't want it... I hate these colics.
They're giving herself a noogie.
Alright. I should do my ear again.
Is it closed?
Yeah, it's closed. Both of them are closed. This one, I had one here that closed up, and then I went on to this side. They're both closed. Even these are closed. I tried to get an earring through it.
Lalo did too. Did you see the back? Did you take the mirror
No.
and look in the back?
No.
Well, you should.
Okay, let me get myself together. I'll look in the back before
Here, come right here in this light.
How am I going to look in the back?
Well,
gotta
no,
go in
I
the
just want to take a
bathroom.
picture. Just a little video.
Hi.
See? That's better, isn't it? Can you see?
No, I can't see. But I see. Okay, everybody sees me. Did it! I did it! I don't believe I did it.
How'd it feel though?
Feels like I lost my hair. Like when you first get a haircut when you
wanna sing that song?
Hair.
If I was a boy.
Mustache and a beard.
I have been this short, guys. No, you don't. With a
No,
face
I said
like
all
that,
I need is a mustache and a beard, and then I could be a boy.
you need makeup though. You really gotta wear makeup.
I will wear I wear makeup every day.
Because you can't have no hair and not have makeup on. I mean, you can. You're you. You can do whatever you want to do.
When I wake up in the morning, good I'm not sleeping next to you with no makeup.
Bob's gonna reach over like,
He's gonna be sleeping.
ah! Who's in my bed? We're all brand new, guys. We're all brand new.
I did it.
Me, Angie, come here.
Oh yeah, Angie.
Me, Angie, and my mother.
Mm.
We're all brand new.
Oh yeah, she cut
We're
hers,
all
too.
brand new. See that?
Brand new people.
Yeah. Thanks for coming, guys. Until the next video.
Angie's
They
still wondering why.
will.
Why did you do that, Mima?
Because she felt like it. Because she lives for herself and not others, right? Dare to be different. We'll catch you on the flip side. Bye-bye. Yep, her with her crazy faces. Oh, you got to finish watching that video.
I will at home.
She's leaving without my Mother's Day gift.
Oh no!
Yeah, that's, it's all about her. It's all about her.
Oh.
She forgets her thing. So I got her this plant so it doesn't die with chocolate because she likes chocolate. Oh yeah, she needs her gift cards and her mask. You should go do that tonight. Pamper yourself. A Dunkin' Donuts card.
Do I have to? I have to save this to make
Save
sure
that.
it
Yeah,
works.
make sure it works because there's I don't know. and a Cracker Barrel card. She loves Cracker Barrel.
Who does?
So, and then this little guy that she's gonna put in her new camper.
Yep.
Ba-donkey, donkey, donkey.
I better put this in my pocket.
Hi, Susie. Hi, I'm gonna be your new friend. Yeah, here, take that. Put that in there. Get in there, little buddy. Get in there. You're just gonna stay in there for a second. Don't lose those. This is an aloe plant.
Oh,
Aloe and
it's aloe then. It
Haw-
might grow bigger.
Hawthornia.
Did you show them yours?
Look at mine.
Yeah, those little.
This was a little prank my mom did.
Yeah.
Because I got her a little gag gift. I don't know if you guys remember, like in the Christmas vlog, I got her a screw that looked like a banana.
For
it was a
my
banana
wine.
for
It
her
was a
wine.
cork. Yeah.
It was a cork screw, but it looked like a banana. Yeah. And it was a banana. And so she thought this would be funny because there's a banana on there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's for you.
Mm-hmm.
And then
Yep.
you got a pretty plant.
And then I got a pretty plant, but he's kind of
Well, I
drooping.
did get it for the longest blooming plant.
And this is a longest blooming plant.
This one.
Yes. This.
It says it.
Yes, it does. See that? It's an anthurium. Anthurium.
Okay, so goodbye. I'm leaving.
Goodbye. She's leaving.
Bye. I gotta remember your bones. I'm so mad I forgot your bones. Bye, guys. Bye, Lalo. Okay.
You might want to show Layla. Layla, did you see Mima's hair?
Yeah.
Okay, just in case, because you might see her again and not know it's her. Say bye, Layla. Okay. Bye, Ma. I love you.
Bye. I love you too. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Don't be sad now that you have no hair, okay? Just give it like a couple weeks and you're gonna love it. It's very short. I've been that short though. And she will like it when it grows out, but it's, hopefully, I was hoping that she really, really loved it, because then I won't have to like cut it all the time. She's so picky. Like there's nothing that, you know. I think as long as she has her wisps, she's okay. She feels free. Alright guys, until the next video. I already did that, so bye.